Alright you guys, I purchased the military stocking because I was in the army once upon a time ago. It seems like a long time ago. I guess it kind of was, but I was in the army and I am very proud to purchase, look at the US flag, to purchase this military stocking. Ooh. Alright. Okay, so it does come with a patch. Oh, maybe if I undo the Velcro it might work better. Okay, boom, comes with the patch. We got a couple hangers, we got the hook right here. We have a pocket, a zipper. This thing is cool. Oh, you can actually get to the presents by the zipper. You got this, wow, this is like real sturdy, and then you could actually hang it with this hook right here. All right, can't wait till my family fills it up with some presents. I'm gonna put it over here on the fireplace, because as you guys can see, it's missing mine. We got everybody else's over here, except for mine. And here we go. I just wanted to tell you guys that that's real sturdy. I'm taking a second look. This is my second look, and it's real sturdy. And you could actually, if you wanted to, you could put some 511 pouches in here because these are real strong. They're sewn in. They ain't going anywhere. This is very sturdy material. On the back side, it's just plain. And then, of course, you got the front side. You got all kinds of moving parts on the front side. All right, now the fireplace is complete.